What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to talk to you about how I built 5 online income sources from a hobby. Yeah, 5 online income streams from one hobby. And it's something that is pretty much passive now, but I want to explain kind of the process, how I got into it, the different sources, how much money I make, and kind of go from there, all right? So, you've probably seen from the title, $6,050 a month is average what this business makes. Now, I want to be 100% transparent. That money is actually split in half. I have a partner, we're 50-50 partners, and he creates all the content for this business. Now, this is the cool part. I end up finding a person that is pretty much the face of the business. Now, this business is ran on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We have a YouTube channel, has I think right about 2,800 subscribers as of right now. We have a Instagram account that has I think 31,000 followers, and we also have a Facebook group that has about 3,000 members. Now, those numbers are not huge, but they're not small either. The YouTube channel has less than 3,000 subscribers, so it's not making a lot of money. On average, we're making, I think it's like it's right about $300 a month from YouTube ads. Okay? Now, here's the best part. We make money from YouTube ads. We make money from courses. We make money from affiliate marketing and sponsorships. And we also make money from merch sales, from merchandise. We sell shirts. We have there's shirts, hoodies, and I think there's hats. And that's it. Okay? So let me kind of break this down for you, and then let me explain why I got into this. So YouTube ads, we're making about $300. Affiliate commissions, we're making about $1,400 a month, and that's pretty much just from Amazon. We're sending traffic over to Amazon and selling products that he's pretty much using inside the videos. We're selling different things that would help with training this specific person. To kind of give you an idea, it's we're pretty much talking about it's a sport, but we are directly targeting a specific person inside that sport. For example, if we're targeting basketball players, or let's not even say basketball players, let's say left-handed golfers, we would be promoting the glove that works for left-handed golfers. We'd be promoting different shoes, left-handed golf clubs, things like that. Okay, that's a horrible example, but you get the idea. All right. So that's one of the things we're promoting. As far as course sales, that's our biggest income, and we're making about $3,900 a month on average from that. We've been doing this. The start date of this entire business was actually March 8th of 2018. Okay, so we're less than a year in, and we're doing about $6,000 a month. And that is as of the last 2 or 3 months. Okay, so first month barely made anything, and then obviously it's been growing and growing since then. But last 2 or 3 months, we've been averaging about $6,050 every single month. Now, the best part about this is we're getting income from multiple sources, from YouTube ads, and again, we have over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time. So you need those in order to make money through YouTube ads. But we're making money from YouTube ads. We're making money from courses. We're making money from selling or promoting products that are over on Amazon. We're making money through merchandise. Okay? And pretty much all this stuff is through teespring.com. Never heard of it? I'd highly recommend you check it out. It's a great website. Also, we make about $50 every single month for the past, I think, 4 or 5 months. We've been making $50 every single month for a sponsorship. And this sponsor, all he asks is we put his business name, which is a website. We put his business name in our header over on Facebook. We put his business name in our header over on YouTube, and we also link to his website on our videos. And we usually do 2 to 3 videos a week. When I say we, I'm talking about my partner, who is the face of this business. Now, how did I get into this, and why am I even bringing this up as a video? The reason why I got into this was because I had a passion for this specific sport. Not a huge passion, but I had a little bit of a passion for it. And I saw there was a need in this niche on YouTube. And so I looked around, I found somebody that kind of had a little bit of a hold and a little bit of a grasp on the industry. Not a big one, but I contacted him and talked to him a little bit. He was actually wanting to sell his whole channel, his website, everything. I think he won like $1,500, $2,000, something like that. And I told him no. I reached out to a few more people. A lot of people didn't respond back. One person did, and that person was willing to, well, first off, they didn't know much about YouTube, but they were willing to learn. And so instead of, creating something myself, pretty much reached out and be like, hey, I'm looking for a partner. I have a bunch of stuff I'm willing to, put up. This is who I am. This is what I do. And, he ended up agreeing. We partnered on it, got all the documents signed and everything. We're good to go. But he ended up agreeing on it. And we're now 50-50 partners. I create all the courses. I do all the links to through Amazon, through affiliate marketing, all that stuff. I deal with the sponsors. I create all the stuff for merch, or I hire it out, which is pretty much what I do. And he does all the videos. He does all the videos. He does all the editing, or he hires it out. He does all the thumbnails. We're good to go. And so that's how our business is working. The reason why I bring this up is because I'm making over $3,000 every single month from something that I did months ago. And this is more of a passive income. But the reason I wanted to tell you this is because, a lot of people that I talk to, they're worried that they don't want to be the face of the business. They don't want to be on YouTube or seen on Instagram or pushing people over on Facebook. They don't want that. They want to sell something. They want to make money. And they don't want anybody to know what they're doing. So what is the best way to do that? To reach out to somebody else that wants that fame. Even here on this channel, I don't want the fame. I don't need the glory. I don't need any of that stuff. Okay? Do I want to make money? Yeah, I do. I want to make money. I want to be able to, provide for my family for not just today and tomorrow, next week, but next year, 5 years down the line, 10 years, 25 years down the line. And this is something that you can do. Okay? Create some type of business based on your hobby, whatever it is. Maybe you're a runner. Go on to YouTube, go on to Instagram, go on to Facebook, and type in runner or running. You're going to find a bunch of people that are teaching people how to run, teaching people what items to use, what are the best shoes, what are the best insoles, what's the best running formation, how to train for a marathon, all this stuff. And that could be you. You could be cashing in on your passion just because you want to. That's it. That's the only reason I see so many people struggle with creating some type of online business, because they don't know what to do. They don't know, should I get into affiliate marketing? Should I get into Amazon FBA, sell on eBay, do Shopify, do drop shipping, trade stocks? What should I do? What you should do is follow your passion. And I say this, and I'm really passionate about creating new businesses, creating businesses that not only I run, but other people run for me, or other people run and I just help them out. Okay? Just as a coach, as a consultant. I love doing it because I love seeing you take something from an idea, from the ground floor. You make a strong foundation and you grow it up. Okay? You turn that little idea into a skyscraper. That's what I love doing. So that's why I teach that here on this channel. But the whole goal with this video is not to boast or brag about, I'm making $3,000. I'm not doing a whole lot. Okay, when I first started, I was doing quite a bit. I had to create the courses, had to get the sponsorship, which wasn't a lot of money. Had to do all the merch designs, had to do all that stuff. Had to provide my partner with all the links to Amazon so that when he does a video, he can go and just put in the links. I don't have to worry about it. Okay? So the reason why I'm creating this video is because I want you to understand there's more options out there. Okay? Figure out what it is you love to do. Maybe it's cooking. Maybe it's you just love being a mom. Maybe you love photography. Maybe you love to travel. Go onto YouTube and just type in whatever your hobby is. Travel. My trip to Cancun. My trip to the Maldives, wherever. Okay? Why I love Walt Disney World. Why I love going to Orlando, going to Universal Studios, whatever it is. You can find a lot of people that are vlogging about it. They're vlogging about it. You see their family, you see them having fun, but also they put a link inside the description box. Hey, if you want to take a trip to Orlando, make sure you give this travel agent a call. Make sure you talk to this person about getting tickets. And they're probably making money from it. All right? Just from a passion, from a hobby. They love to travel, so they turn their idea into an actually money-making system. And that's what I'm telling you to do. All right? So again, I know this video wasn't packed full of information. This video isn't meant to be, a tool to get you to, from an idea to, making $1,000 a day. This video is simply, I want to get you thinking about what you could do, a potential business you can run, a potential topic, potential niche that you can get into where you can start making money. Because I guarantee you, once you do, it's going to be your passion project. You're going to start making money. You're going to love that you watch this video right now. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.